But it's okay. Shit happens. I'm mad though, baby. I'm mad. Because you be having sex.
What's up, Lavish fam? It's your girl, Kelso Lavish Kels, and I'm back with a new YouTube video, a birthday vlog upload coming straight to your neck. Let's get it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment below. Don't forget to follow my girls. We got some surprises for y'all. Let's see what happened on my birthday weekend. Let's get it. Road trip! Sheesh! Sheesh!
Oh, wait, you making a video?
Yes.
I thought it was a whole picture.
Before we get into this, do not talk about my bonnet. Y'all got one rule. Stay off my bonnet. I couldn't honk because I haven't.
This.
I don't want one. I said, what the hell? No, I said cool. What the heck? We stuck in traffic right now. Stuck in traffic. It's my best friend, guys, but she's unavailable at the moment.
She has a headache.
We stuck in traffic. I don't understand what's going on. Why we're stuck in this much traffic. Traffic back there. This is crazy. We were supposed to be there yesterday this time.
What?
Well, just wanted to let you guys know that. No, I'm not live. I should go live, huh? Antoinette. Today's the day. Today is the day. Jenna doesn't like to be bothered. She gonna say, "Stop, you freak." Weirdo. Yes, sir. Birthday vibes, let's get it. Now, before y'all start, we had some technical difficulties, okay? So we had to switch from the camera to the phone, and we was trying to do this for y'all, okay? We was trying to make sure that y'all stayed into it, okay? All right? What's going on right now? Like, I don't even know what to say right now.
The light is red.
But you could turn on the red.
Yes. Let's go. Tap, 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 tap. Yeah. Let's go.
10:35. May 24th. Mimosa me, please. Mimosa me, please. With the squad, right? Last day here. It's about to get real out here. It's about to get real out here. Last day, about to get real. Get that right down, please. Let's see. Mimosa me, please. I ain't even trying to do this. You gonna do it?
No.
That's I did not know that was gonna do that, y'all, because I didn't even shake the bottle. Like, I don't have an excuse.
Savannah, and it just went everywhere. Didn't nobody tell her to do that. It just said.
Oh no.
You told me to watch my eye. Your phone was right there.
It's okay. I got some towels. It just went right there.
At least the whole bottle didn't spill. I thought something bad happened.
What the?
Was it cute?
Welcome to the party. It's really the aftermath. It's lit. Okay, get the view, yeah, sir. Vans. My spot. I got the best view. She got the best view. Girl, all we see is trees. And then the fact that they want, oh, my needs $10 for these colors, y'all tripping. Y'all tripping. Y'all think I'm ready. I'm gonna get that. To hop in the train and actually see what's going on. Like, you can't expect to get better if you're not even putting in the effort, or if you're not even trying to go ahead and hop in the trades for yourself and see if the method works or not. It was a really good harmonic scanner training going on, naked scanner. And you guys have to be able to touch into that. You have to tap in and truly get prepared to know if this opportunity can work for you. You're not gonna know if it works for you if you're too scared to hop in a trade. Like, you're adding money to your account for a reason, and this method works. These type of things work. So if you're not going to focus on building, or if you don't want to build, that's fine, right? We make that very clear. You don't have to build, but at least show that this works. At least dive in and truly try to make the best of every opportunity. Because if you're not going to dive in and you're not going to communicate, and you guys aren't going to let me know whenever you need something, or you're not going to let me know when you have trouble, or you're not going to let me know when you have issues, it's not going to get right. It's not going to get corrected. So I need you guys to really take the approach where you're going to take the time to actually apply these skills and these methods that we have for you guys. Time to go packing up. We're out. Got the clock out. Thank you guys for all tuning in, watching this video. Stay tuned for the end. I got some bonus clips for y'all. Major shout out to my best friends for coming along with me on this road trip. We didn't get all the events, but we got most of them, so we hope you guys enjoy. At the end of this video, please, please, please subscribe, comment below, and don't forget to follow my best girls on social media. At the end of the video, check it out. We'll be back, Lavish Fam, with another one. I'm clocking out for now. Oh my god.
They're normal. It just does. It's your lips.
Oh, you can't feel your chin? I know. No. baby. Look at
Baby. No. What you doing?
This nigga straight cook.
Before I go broke like Jock, with that dog like V. Not that rock, that pit. How many down in my sock, can't hold my Glock. Reason I don't really like that. Young turn, can't wipe no. Excuse my French, don't like no. Limo 10 on fat, my cars, yeah, I had it hurt. So my broke bad, I ain't had it hurt. Yeah, that's us. Two-tone AP, yeah, I'm bust. Got to hear from her, ain't even wanna why? Bop, on me. Same thing revive. Oh, tell him bro should've died. No, he ain't Kim, dog, he ain't even try. Still a bet my last room dice in the hood. Take who chain, no, not good. Probably in some fast with a Glock in the hood. Course had to take spell and walk on the wood. First turn from the hood, they curious. Four inquired about 5 in jury.
I get the comments with number that's period. I got your B on one, put on the mirrors. First young in the A2 lamb, run on 14 mil, started 14 grams. Dope boy Dickies and diamonds and Tim. You shouldn't play with that boy, he is not one of them.
Bro, I kept taking L's, finally got me an M. Still making double, I don't call when I spin. S550 2018, gotta come 20 if you hoppin' in the Benz. Young turn from the D to the A, I'm rockin' with the Lions.
Yeah, I'm rockin' with the Braves. Yeah, we pay.
Yeah, we pay.
I'ma turn it up a little more this time. Used to dream about getting out, got it on dry. I had a spot like a varsity. What do you have? You buy 20, I front what you buy. I put on drip, I believe I can fly. Nigga, know that I'm rich, but they know not to try. I had a show in Detroit and I started reviving. Spent 50 on all of the guys. All of these in these stores make a mission. And plus I'ma tip them, they holding my size. Get in your car and just put on your flashes and follow the hearse. And you say you gon' ride, cause somebody gon' die if they with us. Turn a 5 to a dime, that's a double up. Around walking church on my double cup. This that happen, I'm praying, I give it up. Take a stay with the wood, make him give it up. Know I ran through a meal every week off of weed. Bro, beat the truck, I can give me some street. Got it back in the pickup, I won't even leave. Run it up around, get it vetted. DT, keep a hot boy with me, I got love for DG. Chasing his papers since 12 or 13, running around in these streets, it was me and Marquise.
First turn from the hood, they curious. Four inquired about 5 in jury.
I get the comments with number that's period. I got your B on one, put on the mirrors. First young in the A2 lamb, run on 14 mil, started 14 grams. Dope boy Dickies and diamonds and Tim. You shouldn't play with that boy, he is not one of them.
Bro, I kept taking L's, finally got me an M. Still making double, I don't call when I spin. S550 2018, gotta come 20 if you hoppin' in the Benz. Young turn from the D to the A, I'm rockin' with the Lions.
Yeah, I'm rockin' with the Braves. Yeah, we pay.
Yeah, we pay. First turn from the hood, they curious. Four inquired about 5 in jury.
I get the comments with number that's period. I got your B on one, put on the mirrors. First young in the A2 lamb, run on 14 mil, started 14 grams. Dope boy Dickies and diamonds and Tim. You shouldn't play with that boy, he is not one of them.
Bro, I kept taking L's, finally got me an M. Still making double, I don't call when I spin. S550 2018, gotta come 20 if you hoppin' in the Benz. Young turn from the D to the A, I'm rockin' with the Lions.
Yeah, I'm rockin' with the Braves. Yeah, we pay.
Yeah, we pay.